today's video. I'm gonna be attempting to solve it. Let's get into it. So first of all, we're gonna make a cross. Yeah. Okay, we have the cross down. See? So basically, now we should choose a color. I think I'm gonna go with red. It's almost done. See? So you can break it. You have to keep the cross the same, but you can break it apart if you know how to reattach it. So I know how to reattach it. You know, let's make green one now. See? Okay, well, I just messed it up. Made it easier. Sorry. And then adjust the camera angle. So it's actually. Maybe something. Actually, put it down and still supports it. You can see it. And if you know how to put the cross back together, you don't have to worry about breaking it apart like I said. So basically, I'm gonna try to do. Got some connection. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that in the middle actually instead. I'll try to attach it. Yes, we got this, so then you can basically turn it and we got it. Now it's easier. Oh, two more now. Two more down. Okay. Okay. Well, this is very hard, not too challenging, since we're almost done with the red part. Honey, I love honey, it is good. Honey, I love honey, it is so good. I think I should try to do this. Yo, I got it down to one now. I got it down to one part. And then it's finished with the red layer. Can't stop getting it down to one part. Cause this is Achilles. No. Wait a minute. But still, I need to connect this though. I don't have it though. Okay. So you guys basically see the camera angle. I want the camera to fall. Basically. Yeah, it's something heavier. See this? Yeah. Shitty. Basically got it then. So basically all I have to do is get that. That's disappointing. Yes. Yes. Please. Please. Up. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Look, I need it. Oh, this is supposed to be in the middle. Let's get these two connected. I'll try and connect them now. Oh no. Can't connect them there. Still got it. Look, this. I'm calling this thing, bro. Is that? Nah, that's TV, though. I don't use my brain. If I have those two shit. Huh? Huh? Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, we got red, guys. We got red now. We actually got red. We got red, though. This is not orange, it's actually a little red. But we got red since there's light reflecting, it looks like. See? Can I turn this side? No, that side is light. But we fully got red. We actually got red, bro. So, now, after red, I think we should add the cross back without this attaching it. Yeah. So maybe on this but we actually got red. Next video I'll try to get it any color you guys suggest.